What is good, YouTube, man? It's the Hemi Twins back here with another video, and today, man, y'all already know, man, we bring nothing but bangers to the channel, man. So this video right here, I'm gonna be showing y'all today is how to get rid of your check engine light, man. How to get rid of your check engine light, man. So I'm on the way to the parts store right now, and give it to me at least. Got the best sounding scat, you feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm on the way to the parts store right now, and I'm gonna be showing y'all how to get rid of your check engine light. So you feel what I'm saying? And yeah, that's all it is. And I'm gonna show y'all boys step by step of how to get rid of it and how to install, what to install. You know what I'm saying? Cause people don't like to have that check engine light, and I know I don't like to have that check engine light on my car, you feel what I'm saying? And you know, I had to find a solution and a way to get rid of the check engine light, because you know, so much people want to get rid of the catalytic converters, but at the same time, they know they're gonna have a check engine light, and you know, people don't like that for real. So yeah, man, just arrived to this part store real quick, so y'all boys just stay tuned to the video, man. Alright, y'all, so I just made it out of the store, the parts store. I couldn't record in there, man, but because they was playing music, but you know what I'm saying, I made it out of the parts store, and you know what I'm saying, went and grabbed these right here, non-filers right here, y'all boys. So yeah, you need 2 of these, you feel what I'm saying? So that's all you're missing. This is the major part of the video you need, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, so now I'm gonna get to my destination, and I'm gonna show y'all boys step by step of how to install the non-filers to get rid of your check engine light. So yeah, y'all boys stay tuned. All right, y'all. So we got the non-filers right here. So you're gonna need 2 pack of these. We already attempted on one right here. So I don't know if y'all can see it, but
just read it.
It's an 18 mil non-filer for spark plug. That's all y'all gonna need right there. So y'all gonna need that. Y'all gonna need a 1/2 inch drill bit, you know what I'm saying, and get you some vice grips or some channel locks. And yeah, so all we're gonna be doing is taking this 1/2 inch drill bit and going through the non-filer. So
that's one that we already did, so that's how it looked, but we're gonna show y'all how one look out the pack.
So yeah, so you're gonna want to screw this on like this, and then after that you're gonna want to put the spark plug in there and screw that on. Then after that, put the whole thing in. But we're gonna get to that step. So that's just how it's gonna look. So yeah, so open this guy up. Eesh.
Also, let me see, show both of them in, both of the filers. So that's how it look when it come out the pack.
And you just gonna need to put a 1/2 inch drill bit all the way through one of these.
Not
so,
both, just one.
Just one. So alright, y'all.
Alright, and the channel locks or the vice grips gonna be for to hold us down.
Like that. And then you just gonna drill it. So it's hard to do that when, you know.
But I'm gonna try to get the camera for y'all.
Alright, y'all, so we got 2 O2 sensors on this one, because this one we couldn't clear it, and you know, we didn't want to have to pay for a whole new pipe and all that other stuff, but we might go ahead and do that anyway. But we're just doing this for the sake of the video.
Get a bypass check engine light.
That's it. So this is the O2 sensor right here that we're gonna be taking off. And yeah, so you just wanna take that off real quick.
And the wrenches are 22 mil.
22 mil. You wanna disconnect the clip and just screw the O2 sensor out
After you break it.
This the O2 sensor.
We did that.
So this the non-filer right here, y'all. So the one that y'all didn't put the hole through goes in here.
Let me see it. Show them. They turn around. Alright, so this one right here is gonna go through the hole first, and then the one that we put the hole through gonna go on top of it after we put the one that we didn't put the hole in. So we're gonna screw it in first.
And then O2 sensor, you screw that on.
Go through the one with the hole. So let's show them inside. Alright, and you'll know it's wrong because the O2 sensor won't go through the one that you just put in the pipe.
So after you get that in there, then you just plug it back up.
I say tighten it. Alright, so we're gonna tighten the foulers. Make sure it's nice and snug.
And then all you gotta do is connect these little connections at the top, and that one good to go. And after that, we're just gonna move to that side and we'll be right back.
Alright, so we already clipped the other one on, and we're gonna break this one loose. This one. So when y'all breaking it loose, it's going to be hard. So you're gonna have to put some effort and force in. All right, so just the O2 sensor. You're gonna have to unfold the square all the way up. You don't have to disconnect this one, I'm pretty sure.
So you want to put the one that got that don't has the hole in it inside of it.
The hole that we made.
Snug that, and then get the O2 sensor.
Let me see. Alright, so that's how it's gonna look with the O2 sensor in it.
So then after that, just get them plugged. Now you want to just tighten them.
And when you tighten it, you're going away from you. Like you see what he doing, he tightening both of them. So he tighten the bottom one first, then he tighten the top one.
So yeah, that's how it's gonna look. These the non-filers on both sides. So yeah, now lower down the car and we get in the car and clear the code. So we'll be right back. Alright man, so if you don't have a diagnostic tool to clear the check engine light, You feel what I'm saying? So we're gonna do it the old school way, you feel what I'm saying? So you just gonna wanna disconnect the battery for 5 to 10 minutes with a 10mm socket. Right, so you're gonna disconnect the negative, not the positive, just the negative, the closest one to you. You're gonna get a 10mm, take it off, and make sure you're going the right way. And you disconnecting it. Keep it out of like touching stuff. So I usually just put it down there. So yeah, put the 10mm like that. Disconnect it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then the check engine light will go away. Alright y'all, so it's been 10-15 minutes now. So we already hooked the battery back up, you know what I'm saying, hook the negative back up and stuff like that. So now we just gonna jump in the car and take y'all for a ride, you feel what I'm saying. And alright man, so after you disconnect the battery for 5 to 10 minutes, so when you disconnect the battery for 5 to 10 minutes, it's just resetting the whole ECU and then just tricking the system and clearing out all the codes, man. So you feel what I'm saying? So once you do that, the check engine light is gonna go away, man, because this mod is gonna work. So we've been driving for at least 30 to 45 minutes now, and you know, we don't even got no check engine light no more, y'all. So y'all can see right there, we don't have no more check engine light on the dash. It looks so much professional, so much cleaner, and you feel what I'm saying? Like, it's better, you know. Who want a check engine light on their dash all the time? You feel what I'm saying? Alright y'all, so y'all can see, man, I did get a check engine light right there, man. So alrighty, what's good YouTube? So it's been a week already, and I know y'all want to know if this mod actually worked, or if this trick actually worked or not, man. So it's been a week roughly, and the check engine light did came back on, y'all. So I was just testing, because you know, a $10 fix to get rid of the check engine light after you get the cast delete, like, I feel like, you know what I'm saying, something had to been up with that thing. But yeah, the same check engine light came on, and there's another check engine light that came on. So it's like, the other one that came on was P0300. So I had a random misfire and a random cylinder. So then I waited the next day, and the next day it told me P0308. So I had a misfire in cylinder 8, and it's caused by so much air is going through the exhaust, and it's not enough fuel to hold that much air that's going through the exhaust. So I gotta change out the spark plug on that one, but I think that's gonna be a continually fix, you feel what I'm saying? So therefore, you're gonna need a tune when you delete your catalytic converters off your Dodge Charger scat pack. So you know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, if this video helped y'all in any certain way, any type of way, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Let's get this video to at least 30+ likes if y'all want to see more videos like this. Or let me know if y'all want to see DIYs or something like that, like change your spark plugs, spoil coil packs, like stuff like that. Let me know if y'all want to see stuff like that in the comments below. And yeah, man, you know, grind don't stop, roll to 10K. You know what I'm saying? It's only up. It's the Hemi Twins, and we out.